Timeless Concepts from Physics Helpline. This is a video tutorial series through which we will sharpen our problem solving skill. In this video tutorial, we will discuss a multiple choice question with only one correct option on the specific heat at constant volume of a mixture of ideal gases. The question is as follows. 2 moles of helium gas is mixed with 3 moles of hydrogen gas, molecules taken to be rigid. Then the molar specific heat of the mixture at constant volume is, it is given that R is equal to 8.3 joules per mole Kelvin. The options are 21.6 joules per mole Kelvin, 19.7 joules per mole Kelvin, 15.7 joules per mole Kelvin and 17.4 joules per mole Kelvin. Before proceeding to solve the problem, let us recall the related concepts. The kinetic energy of a molecule of ideal gas per degree of freedom is equal to half into kT, where K is the Boltzmann constant and T is the absolute temperature of the gas. Therefore, for F degrees of freedom, it is equal to F by 2 into kT. Therefore, for 1 mole of the gas, it is equal to N into F by 2 into kT, where N is the Avogadro's number. Therefore, the internal energy of 1 mole of an ideal gas having F degrees of freedom is given by U is equal to F by 2 into RT. Here we have used the relation N into K is equal to R. From the first law of thermodynamics, we have delta Q is equal to delta U plus delta W. At constant volume, delta W is equal to 0, which implies delta Q is equal to delta U. Therefore, molar specific heat of a gas at constant volume is given by Cv is equal to dQ by dt at constant volume, which is equal to du by dt. Differentiating with respect to temperature, we get Cv is equal to F by 2 into R. Now for the answer. The first gas is helium. It is monoatomic. Therefore, F is equal to 3. Therefore, specific heat at constant volume is given by Cv1 is equal to 3 by 2 into R. It is given that number of moles is equal to 2. Let the rise in temperature is equal to delta T. Therefore, heat required is given by delta Q1 is equal to N1 Cv1 into delta T. Putting the values and simplifying, we get delta Q1 is equal to 3R into delta T. The second gas is hydrogen. It is diatomic. Therefore, F is equal to 5. Therefore, specific heat at constant volume is given by Cv2 is equal to 5 by 2 into R. Number of moles of hydrogen is equal to 3. Therefore, for the same rise of temperature delta T, the heat required is given by delta Q2 is equal to N2 Cv2 into delta T. Putting the values and simplifying, we get delta Q2 is equal to 15 by 2 R into delta T. Therefore, for the mixture, the number of moles is equal to 5. Rise in temperature is equal to delta T, let the specific heat of the mixture at constant volume is equal to Cv. Therefore, heat required is given by delta Q is equal to N1 plus N2 into Cv into delta T, which is equal to 5 Cv into delta T. We see that delta Q is equal to the sum of delta Q1 and delta Q2. Putting the values and simplifying, we get Cv is equal to 2.1 into R. Putting the value of R and simplifying, we get Cv is equal to 17.4 joules per mole Kelvin, which is the answer to the question. Therefore, the correct option is D. This completes the answer to the question. Thanks for watching. If the video is helpful, then please like, share and subscribe.